just pulling up to the RV dealer where we brought the trailer in for some basic maintenance to make sure it was safetied. And we're gonna go settle up on the payment for that, and then we're gonna bring this beast home. So we bought a trailer, and some people have been asking why. Marissa and I have decided that we wanted to undertake a challenge unlike any other we've done before, and we want to drive cross Canada, and we are going to go attempt to complete the death race and the near-death marathon out in Grand Cache this August. And that doesn't leave us a lot of time. So we picked up this trailer, and we got a really good price on it, but we got a good price on it because it comes with some issues. The inside is immaculate, all the appliances work, and the trailer tows beautifully. I actually just picked it up from Nickel Belt Camping, and I had them put on new tires, got new bearings, got the propane system all tested, and it passed all its certification. For all intents and purposes, this trailer is in perfect condition. That being said, we bought it knowing that there was some water damage that had happened through the ceiling, which was fixed, but there's some cosmetic damage that needs to be fixed up, and it has an ongoing leak in the back. Now, we had brought it to Nickel Belt hoping that we could get this done professionally. However, it was way outside of our budget to get them to do it. So instead, we got some really great advice from their staff, and Marissa and I are gonna attempt to DIY fix this ourselves while we also simultaneously continue to train and get ready to tackle these races. So we have 14 weeks to get this trailer shipshape and ready to drive over 7,000 kilometers round trip from Sudbury out to the Rocky Mountains, staying in Grand Cache and coming back. That's where I wanted to bring you guys along for the ride to see what we're doing, how we're doing it, to follow along. This is our J-Feather ultralight 21-foot camper. Let's go check it out inside. All right. So as you can see, we've got a really nice setup. Super clean. It's got everything we can ask for on the inside. However, this is what we were talking about. So you can see this was an AC, and the AC had leaked prior to the previous owner buying it, and it had caused all this water damage. Now, he had repaired it from the ceiling, and all of the wood around it is quite fine. However, that being said, this is all loose now, so we need to fix this. And we have one more issue, and this is where it gets interesting. So in the back of our trailer, we've got a whole bunch of storage, and where we have to do some DIY is all under here. The entire back compartment here up to about where my hands are, everything below it is rotten. But because this being an ultralight trailer, what this structure is made of is sandwiched wood, styrofoam, and some more wood. And to get it replaced at the dealership, it would involve taking the entire roof and the entire back off as they're put on in one piece. So what Marissa and I have to end up doing is we've got to take out all of this rot. We have to seal in this entire back hatch so that it's no longer leaking, and then we need to kind of DIY our own structure to make sure that this not only has more stability, but that this isn't going to cause us any issues as we start trekking across country. Well, updates, demo so far. We got all of the water damage pieces out. And now it's just the cleanup. So that's kind of where we're at. Like I said, we've got not a lot of time to get a lot done before we go tackle something wild. So I wanted to welcome you all on our journey and hope that you enjoy following along. If you know anything about trailers, please let us know. If you've got any ideas for how to fix water damage in an ultralight trailer, if you have any tips, tricks, or anything that you think that we should know about taking a trailer across Canada and staying at provincial and national parks, or if you're following this because you want to watch us tackle the death race, I mean, hey, it's a whole bunch, it's a smorgasbord of things that we want to put into this YouTube video. So, hope you follow along.